Welcome back. Today's topic is how to make money with cryptocurrency in 2024. Cryptocurrency has found its way to get recognized in the fast-paced financial world. It provides a new opportunity for earning a handsome income and gathering wealth. As in 2024, the cryptocurrency market is still experiencing growth. There are some strategies you can employ to develop that fledgling industry into yet another source of income. Let's explore this complete 2024 guide on how to make money with cryptocurrencies. 1. Cryptocurrency investment. One way so many people get involved in making money from cryptocurrencies is through creating an investment. Investors need to conduct careful research so they can choose those cryptocurrencies with strong fundamentals and long-term future outlooks. More important is diversification, just as in investments, where one puts in what they can afford to lose, since the cryptocurrency market is very volatile. Create an e-wallet and select one credible cryptocurrency exchange to make your first investment in the crypto space. Some of the popular cryptocurrency exchanges are Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. This way, you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies depending on your investment strategy. 2. Staking and lending. The other way to make a passive income from cryptocurrencies is through staking and lending. Staking is basically locking up some amount of a certain cryptocurrency in a digital wallet to support the functioning of a blockchain network and validate transactions. With this comes many kinds of rewards, including extra tokens for the same cryptocurrency or monetary rewards from the new coins issued. Some popular cryptocurrencies known for staking rewards are Ethereum, ETH, Cardano, ADA, and Tezos, XTZ. Lending essentially means giving out your cryptocurrencies to other people, but for interest. You can also make money by lending cryptocurrencies through platforms like BlockFi, Celsius Network, and Nexo by actually putting your own in. Interest rates vary depending on the specific cryptocurrencies and platform used. 3. Cryptocurrency mining. Mining means validating transactions and adding them to the blockchain, a distributed public ledger that records all cryptocurrency transactions. Miners earn payment for their work with newly minted cryptocurrency tokens. You will need specialized hardware, such as A6U, which you can pair with a reliable internet connection to start your mining. Nevertheless, it has to be noted that mining could be capital intensive and may need massive investment in hardware and electric costs up front. Moreover, as more and more miners enter the network, competition keeps increasing, making it difficult to earn rewards. 4. Join airdrops and bounty programs. Airdrops and bounty programs are mechanisms through which a cryptocurrency project can distribute free tokens to the community. Airdrops are just sending free tokens to a user's cryptocurrency wallet, often done as a way to promote a new project or to reward early adopters. Thereafter, there exists another avenue in which one is rewarded, and it is through the operation of bounty programs. Sometimes you can only participate if you strictly observe the airdrop instructions of the project team or implement one task or the other. Not all airdrops and bounty campaigns are real though, so it's really important to do research and try only the best projects. 5. Liquidity provision on DEX. Decentralized exchange is a system where the traders exchange cryptocurrencies between themselves, not needing an intermediary platform. In this respect, liquidity providers play an essential role on DEX by providing the needful assets of the trading pairs in the required volume, ensuring smooth transactions. Liquidity to a DEX earns you a share of the trading fees generated on the platform. This is what one would call yield farming, or liquidity mining for that matter. One will first need to deposit an equal amount of value in two different cryptocurrencies into a particular pool of liquidity, the money that will be used for the eventual trading. 6. Accepting cryptocurrency as payment for freelance work. popular cryptocurrencies are emerging. So many businesses and individuals are interested in freelance services that they can pay for with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. With very good rewards other than monetary returns, you will surely earn a lot from your skills and goods. For instance, there are several platforms in which they work as freelancers, taking payments only in cryptocurrencies. Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer.com, .offer anything. Web development, graphic design, content writing, virtual assistants, and many other services. 7. Cryptocurrency affiliate programs. Earn through affiliate programs in cryptocurrency, thus promoting and referring to all different services, products, and offers that are around this space. Most of these, again, related to either central services, applications, wallets, lending, or even specific coin projects. Join them as an affiliate and receive a special referral link or code with a percentage of revenues from the users you have referred. In some cases, you have different incentives besides bonuses, like higher rates for commissions if you are successful. 8. Cryptocurrency lending platforms. Basically, cryptocurrency lending platforms are those that allow cryptocurrencies to be borrowed, whereby one can borrow any form of a particular cryptocurrency. Interest is therefore accruable from the same. Lending institutions do the same service. Only such transactions are done through blockchain technology. As a lender, you can choose to deposit these holdings in a crypto lending pool and earn interest on the loans issued. The interest rate of the loan is determined by the platform, the cryptocurrency, and the demand for borrowing through various other variables. 9. Participate in an ICO or IEO. An ICO and IEO are fundraising processes derived for exciting new cryptocurrency ventures to sell their tokens to investors in exchange for well-established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. This raises a process whereby the investors can buy the discounted token in and, if lucky enough and the project turns successful, make capital gain out of price elevation. But they need to research a project and token economics before investing into their ICO or IEO, because a lot of projects are overpromised and underdelivered, causing a huge loss in investments. 10. Cryptocurrency arbitrage. Cryptocurrency arbitrage is the act of taking advantage of the price differences that exist across different exchanges or between trading pairs. This means making a profit from buying some cryptocurrency on one exchange at a low price and then selling it back on another or the same exchange at a higher price. Arbitrage opportunities may arise due to market inefficiency, differences in liquidity, or even temporary imbalances in the forces of supply and demand. Although it may be noted that, more often than not, arbitrage opportunities are typically very short-lived and may have to develop quickly upon realization. Conclusion. In conclusion, there are far too many ways to make money from cryptocurrencies by 2024. The most common means include investing, staking, providing liquidity, and mining. The crypto industry has given people chances to earn their daily living and opportunities to create wealth out of those opportunities. Be cautious with such opportunities. Do your proper research and invest within your limit. It is possible by making streams of income diverse and keeping in the know latest happenings within the huge field of cryptocurrency investment. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.